Okay, class. Today we are starting our exploration of Dreambox. Yesterday at our Google Class Meet, we talked about I want you to use yesterday, Thursday, and today, Friday, April 24th, and the weekend to explore Dreambox, not only obviously with yourself, but with mom and dad too, because I would love to incorporate Dreambox lessons into our routine. Okay, but there are some things that you need to remember and listen to. Okay, obviously, you're going to watch any video that I put out, but you also need to watch the videos on Dreambox. Okay, they are very, very user friendly and helpful. Excuse me. So, for this weekend, I am going to assign you 2 lessons. 1 or 2 lessons, I should say. These lessons are from previous things that we have already done, so use this time as like a practice, okay? On Tuesday, when we meet again on our class meeting, we will go over any questions people might have, any roadblocks or challenges that you came across. And then hopefully starting on Thursday, we can do some actual Dreambox lessons, okay? If you notice something here on my announcements, Dreambox is something that you have to do on your own. Dreambox is unique in the way that it kind of shifts with you. If it notices, kind of like our map test, if it notices that you're getting a lot correct, it's going to bump you up into some lessons. If it notices that you need some help, it will take you back down to a few lessons. So, if you're working and mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, older brother or sister are giving you answers, well, Dreambox is going to think that you've mastered those skills and assign you lessons that you're not ready for. So please, please, please do this on your own. Okay? I want to see where you might need help and not, that you got a 100 or whatever, when really you might not have because someone helped you. So please do this on your own. Do the work on your own. If you have a question that mom or dad can help you with because you don't understand, then of course ask them. Okay. So what you're going to need, obviously, is you're going to need to log in. You can log in from this link right here, or you can go in through my website. Okay, I'm going to click on the link. You will need your login card. Okay, so Isabel and Izzy were kind enough to let me use their logins as an example. Okay, remember, please don't give anyone else your password. Okay, so I'm going to go through between those 2 girls' information. I'm obviously not going to share any of that. Okay, so when you log in, you'll need your username and password. This is what's going to come up. Okay, I turned off the volume so we're not hearing 2 things, but it says welcome to Dreambox Learning. I think you've already seen this video. Hopefully you've already watched it. Okay, if you haven't, watch it. If you have, watch it again. Okay, so this is kind of like your dashboard. Okay, this is where you're going to have all of your information. So you're going to go to where it says My Lessons. Okay, and it kind of will tell you what your weekly goal is, 5 lessons. All right, and you can see here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 activities to complete. Now, depending on what you do and how you do in these lessons, you may need more or less activity. Okay, so you're going to look at My Lessons. You can even go into My Stuff to kind of explore what that looks like. Okay, if you want, you can choose an avatar, you can choose some music, and you can choose some backgrounds. Now, anything that you see a dollar sign or a coin next to, that means that you have to earn coins to get those avatars, or your backgrounds, or your music. And the way you earn coins is by doing the games and doing the lessons. Okay, so you'll see things like how you can personalize, some collections. Okay, you'll get these with your mini games, and you'll get videos for those and badges that you earn. Okay, so going back to my lessons, because this is what we're going to explore throughout the weekend. Okay, now I'm just going to click on these. I actually don't want to click on too much because I don't want Izzy or Isabel's work to be affected. So you would click on this. Now, Isabel, because I'm on yours right now, if you do see that, hey, it says I was logged in, it's because I was there, but I did not do any work. So you would click on an activity, okay, and it will say start. Please listen to the intro, and you can see that we are adding and subtracting tens. Boys and girls, we've done this so many times, and we did this a long time ago. So again, this is going to be like our practice, okay? So you're going to do that for all of your lessons, all right? Now, I'm going to X out of Isabel's because she has not, I'm not her, okay? When you do X out, do you want a quick Dreambox? This would be like yes, that would be no. Please do not log out until you have completed the day's lessons. When you log out, it will take you back to the login page. All right. So, to recap, for today, for this weekend, I will have a few lessons assigned to each of you. Use today and the whole weekend to explore Dreambox on your own. So by Tuesday, come with any questions or concerns that you might have regarding Dreambox. Other classes have used it, and a lot of students really have fun with it, and I'm hoping that's something that we can do. But this is only going to work if everyone does the lessons like they're supposed to, and everyone does the lessons on their own. Okay? But all right, have fun, enjoy exploring, and I can't wait to hear about it on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.